In this video, let me show you how to get totems in Hero Wars. To get a totem, you need to summon at the Altar of Elements. Once you unlock that section, you can use Titan artifacts, spheres, or spend emeralds for a chance to earn a totem fragment. After obtaining a fragment, it will appear in your totem evolution and automatically activate during battles. It's important to note that once you receive a totem fragment, the game considers the totem owned and the drop rate for totem is low. But Hero Wars includes a form of bad luck protection, also known as an emerald guarantee. For example, the first totem is guaranteed after spending around 4,500 emeralds. The more totems you try to acquire, the more expensive it becomes, often exponentially so after your second. Also, if you receive your totem fragment from an event like a holiday gift or season pass, the game will count it as your guaranteed totem, even if you didn't summon it manually. That's how you get totems in Hero Wars. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.